Hello, today we will guide you through how to order layers in CapCut PC. In this quick walkthrough, you'll learn how to change the order of layers on the timeline in CapCut for desktop. This is useful when you're working with multiple clips, images, text, or other visual elements, and you want one item to appear above or below another on screen. Layer order affects what is visible in front and what stays behind, so knowing how to adjust it can make your editing much easier. To begin, open the CapCut app on your PC. Once the application is launched and your project is ready, head to the editing workspace where you can see the timeline at the bottom. This is the area where all of your media layers are arranged, and it's where you'll make the change. Next, drag your sample media into the timeline. This could be a video clip, an image, or another element you want to work with. If you're following along for practice, make sure you have at least 2 items in the timeline, so the layer order is easy to notice. When multiple elements overlap visually, the one placed higher in the layer stack will usually appear in front of the others. Once your media is in place, you can order it by dragging it up or down in the timeline. Click and hold the layer you want to move, then carefully drag it to a higher or lower track position. Moving a layer upward generally places it above other elements, while moving it downward places it behind them. As you do this, pay attention to the preview window so you can immediately see how the visual order changes. Take your time while dragging to make sure the layer lands exactly where you want it. If the interface feels a little crowded, zooming in on the timeline can help you place things more accurately. It's also a good idea to keep your layers organized, especially in more complex projects, so you can quickly identify which element should be in front. And that's all there is to it. By simply dragging a layer up or down in the CapCut PC timeline, you can control the visual stacking order of your media and fine-tune how your project looks. Once you get used to it, this becomes a fast and natural part of the editing process.